cook cash from the planting of plantain. From the planting of plantain. How can you make money from the planting of plantain? Plantain is a crop that can be eaten alone. It can be eaten fried, it can be eaten roasted, it can be eaten when boiled. It can be eaten with soup, it can be eaten with palm oil, it can be eaten with other things, with groundnut. People who have diabetes are advised not to take sugary foods. One of the foods recommended for such people is unripe plantain. Children eat plantain, adults eat plantain, the whites eat plantain, the blacks eat plantain. The educated eat plantain. The uneducated, they love plantain. Everybody, everywhere in the world, they love plantain. Now, you can make cook cash from planting of plantain. Instead of going ahead and getting a plot of land or plots of land or hectare and building houses on it, you can get the hectare or plot of land and fence it round and plant your plantain. Now, if you are in the city, this is a lucrative business for you. You get the plot of land, you struggle to get the money for the plot. Then you are wondering, how am I going to get money to build a house on it? Don't wonder again. Plantain plantation and plantain planting business is what you should go into. Get the plot of land, fence it round, and gate it. Good gate. Then get your plantain seedling. You can go to Ibadan. There are many planting and agricultural centers in Ibadan that can give you hybrid plantain, the seedling. You can get as many as you want. Then you make the space between one plantain seedling and the other on your farmland, perhaps about 3 feet in between, or thereabout, or 3 meters in between, and then also 3 meters between rows and along rows. Then you flood the plot of land with plantain, the seedling. You water and allow them to grow. When they grow, the type of plantain you should get is not the tall one. Get the one that is dwarf, but it will produce very large. When it produces, you harvest and then you hit the market. Instead of waiting for tenants to come and pay you rent, every season, you go to your plantain farm, you harvest, and then you take it to the market. Plantain farming will give you more money than renting, building of houses and renting out the house. All you need to do is to fence, and then you plant the seedling, and then you weed periodically. When you get the seedling, how do you plant? You dig the hole about 100 centimeters deep or 30 to 50 centimeters deep. Then if you can afford manure, put manure underlay on the soil before you put the seedling of your plantain. You put the seedling of the plantain on the dig 30 to 50 centimeters you have dug, and then you use the soil you put out of it to cover it back. And then you water. If it's not the raining season, then if it's raining season, that's the best. You leave it, and then the rain continues to do its work. The plantain continues to sprout. You can now weed in between, or you can spray chemical in between. the market for plantain is large. Then yearly, you go there, you harvest. Just the seedlings you planted will produce the other seedling. As they are living, they produce their stolons that will replace them. So that is a short clip for today. Plantain plantation is a business you should go into. I'll see you in my next video as you take this step and you tell me the success story in next time when you succeed at it. Bye for now.